Ever found yourself juggling multiple currencies, scratching your head over international payments, or wishing there was a simpler way to manage your global finances? You're not alone. In today's interconnected world, whether you're a freelancer getting paid by international clients, an e-commerce business expanding overseas, or simply someone who loves to shop from global online stores, dealing with different currencies and payment systems can feel like navigating a maze. Think about it. The fees for transferring money across borders can eat into your profits or your spending budget. The exchange rates can fluctuate wildly, making it hard to predict exactly how much you'll receive or pay. And keeping track of all those different accounts and platforms? It can become a real administrative headache. That's where innovative solutions come into play, aiming to simplify these complexities and empower individuals and businesses to operate more seamlessly on a global scale. One such solution that's been gaining traction is Visa Airwallex. But what exactly is Visa Airwallex? At its core, Visa Airwallex is a powerful financial platform designed to streamline international payments and financial management. It essentially combines the global reach and reliability of Visa with Airwallex's sophisticated multi-currency account and payment technology. This synergy creates a comprehensive solution that addresses many of the pain points associated with international finance. Imagine having a single platform where you can hold multiple currencies, think US dollars, euros, British pounds, Australian dollars, and many more, all in one place. With Visa Airwallex, this becomes a reality. You can receive payments in these currencies without hefty conversion fees, and you can make payments to suppliers, employees, or anyone else around the world with greater ease and transparency. But it goes beyond just holding and sending money. Visa Airwallex often comes with features like virtual and physical Visa cards linked to your multi-currency accounts. This means you can spend your funds internationally, both online and offline, just like a local. No more getting hit with exorbitant foreign transaction fees every time you make a purchase abroad or pay for an international online subscription. For businesses, the benefits are even more pronounced. Visa Airwallex can integrate with popular accounting software, making reconciliation and financial reporting much simpler. It can also facilitate bulk payments, allowing businesses to efficiently pay multiple international vendors or freelancers simultaneously. Furthermore, the platform often provides competitive exchange rates, potentially saving businesses significant amounts of money on their international transactions. Think of it as your global financial passport. It allows you to navigate the complexities of international finance with more control, transparency, and efficiency. Instead of dealing with multiple banks, high fees, and opaque exchange rates, Visa Airwallex aims to provide a unified and user-friendly experience. It's about empowering individuals and businesses to participate in the global economy without being bogged down by unnecessary financial hurdles. So, whether you're a solopreneur expanding your reach, a growing e-commerce store selling to customers worldwide, or simply someone who wants a smarter way to manage their international finances, Visa Airwallex offers a compelling solution worth exploring. It's about bringing the world closer, financially speaking, and making international transactions feel less like a burden and more like a seamless part of your global journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.